Hey guys, I'm Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am currently locked down for what feels like the 100th month in Ontario, and for the past few weeks I've been refinishing some old furniture and flipping some thrifts that I've found. So today I will be refinishing this dresser that I got for free from one of my friends in the community. This is my first video, so please hit that subscribe button or that notification bell so that you can keep up to date with all of the new videos that I am releasing. I will be releasing hopefully one every couple of weeks. Just depends on if I can get to thrift stores or not in the lockdown. So yeah, let's get started. Thrift flip, I am going to start by sanding the entire thing down with a mouse sander, and then I picked up wood filler from Home Depot for $8. I'm going to use a primer, which I got for free because I've used it on other furniture flips. I'm going to use the paint called Porch Swing from Benjamin Moore, and I'm going to use a drywall compound, which you'll see later in the video because my wood filler doesn't work, and I'm going to buy black handles from Amazon for $30 and furniture pads for $8. Total for this thrift flip is $86, which I'm super proud of, as I am a budgeter and the whole purpose of this channel is to flip for cheap. Okay, so I just finished sanding, and the next step is to take a damp cloth and to just wipe everything down, because when we start to paint, we don't want any of that dust settling, because it will make the paint peel up and not adhere as well. So okay, so if I was staining this, I would have probably done a better job at sanding, but since I'm just painting over it and I'm priming it first, I've done a pretty like rough job, sanding job here. But let me just show you in what shape that this dresser is. Oh, there we go. Like, look how many like streaks and just, you know, imperfections this wood has. It's obviously been beaten up a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through with a little wood filler. This you can get at Home Depot. It's really pretty common. What I also noticed as I was measuring my handles was that the holes were not correct, so I actually ordered the wrong size handles. But that's okay. So I used my wood filler and I just basically filled in the second hole, and then what I'll do is I'll drill another one just slightly beside it so that they do fit. So each one of my holes, I mean, this isn't perfect right now, but I'll go over it probably 2 or 3 times so that these are flush. That one's better over there. Just like that, and then I'll sand it down quick so that all that gunky stuff goes away, and I think we'll be good to go. So I've come to the realization that I don't think this can be fixed to be brand new without like extensive woodwork. As you can see, there are lots of like huge pieces ripped out of the bottom of this. So I'm just gonna fill them as much as I can. Maybe even sand them down to even just the base and see if I can glue these down better. So I did end up using a wood glue for the sides of the dresser. It was just way too, the sides were peeling up so much that I had to glue them down. So while I wait for that to dry, and now I'm going to drill new holes at the right distance, and then I'm going to go ahead and prime these guys. It's the next day. So I was thinking, this is way more beat up than I anticipated. I tried to use wood filler to fill these gouges at the bottom, obviously from like lifting and, you know, dropping it. And so I decided to bring in the big guns, drywall compound. So I'm going to simply like basically plaster the entire bottom of this, so, and then let it dry, and then I'll be able to sand it right down. Since I'm painting it, doesn't really matter that this will be white. So I've actually never used drywall or drywall compound before, but I've seen it used a bunch on like in YouTube videos by other DIYers. So I looked it up online and I was like, okay, well, this shouldn't be a problem. You can put drywall right onto wood. You can put it right onto paint. So we're going to put a generous amount on and see if it'll just fill in the imperfections on this. So apparently drywall takes like 40 hours to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the best part, which is the painting. So this is the color I chose. It's called Porch Swing from Benjamin Moore. And I actually had Instagram vote for this color, and I think it's perfect. I think it's gonna look so fiery on our dresser. Hey guys, it's the next day. So I have let the drywall compound dry. Said like 40 hours, and I'm going to try to sand it. This is the first time I'm ever doing this technique, so I'm a little bit nervous, but done 2 coats of paint on everything, and I am now ready for the finishing touches, which are handles and the little pads that go on the bottom to stop it from scratching up the floor. I think what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna put a padding or like a lining inside each drawer because they're so banged up, and I think it used to be used for a craft drawer. So I definitely want to cover that up. I've ordered some peel and stick wallpaper, so hopefully that will do what I want to do on the inside of these drawers. Thrifted flip. I'm so happy with how this dresser turned out, and I hope you had just as much fun watching it as I did making this video. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell so that you can stay up to date on all of the videos that I do release in the coming weeks. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that would be awesome. I have 2 Instagrams. One is Made by Marie with 2 A's, and the other one is Marie Schultz Photo, which is my photography page. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the flip side. Bye.